Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce unwanted fees with TD Ameritrade, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce unwanted fees with TD Ameritrade, start by reviewing your account statements regularly. Identify any recurring fees that you may be paying. This includes account maintenance fees, inactivity fees, or trade commissions. Next, familiarize yourself with TD Ameritrade's fee structure. Visit their website to find detailed information on various fees associated with different accounts. Consider whether your account type aligns with your trading habits. If you're a frequent trader, a different account type may better suit your needs and minimize costs. Explore TD Ameritrade's commission-free trading options for certain assets. These options can help you avoid unnecessary trading commissions. Monitor your trading frequency and strategies carefully. Sometimes, adjusting your trading frequency can help avoid inactivity fees. If you're not active, consider other account options that have lower or no fees. Utilize TD Ameritrade's tools and educational resources. These can enhance your trading strategies and potentially reduce costly mistakes. Inquire about fee waivers and promotional offers. Occasionally, TD Ameritrade may have promotions that can waive certain fees for new or qualifying accounts. Contact customer service to clarify any fees you find confusing. They can provide insight and may offer recommendations tailored to your situation. Lastly, keep an eye on changes to the fee structure. TD Ameritrade occasionally updates its policies, and staying informed can help you adapt accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively minimize unwanted fees with TD Ameritrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.